Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And of course, Windows 10 is getting some major changes. And one of them, of course, is now that the version for this next version of Windows is the May 2019 version. So this is going to be very interesting because they are actually testing Windows 10 a little more. So I'm updating my questions and answers for the news that we've got this morning from Microsoft. Next version of Windows is coming up in May now, rather than April, which is kind of interesting. They're testing it a lot. It explains maybe a little bit of the we don't have any news of what's happening. You know, we are April 4th and we still didn't know about the official name and a date. Well, they're testing it more. So that means that 18362 is still that version. So those that have upgraded to the latest build, you're on the May 2019 update. It's just being tested longer. Now, right now, it's in the slowing. If you are on an insider release preview ring, you're getting this next week. So that's going to be tested by a couple of millions more people for a few weeks. And they're not taking any chances this time around. So this is cool. This means this should be, and I mean, I really hope for them that this actually rolls out well because it's important that this is going to happen. So if you're wondering when this is happening, it's the month of May. Once again, I wouldn't be surprised around the patch Tuesday of May if, of course, nothing goes wrong while they're testing it. The other interesting information we're getting is that we will get 35 days of being able to postpone updates. Right now, on the home version, you couldn't postpone updates. The Pro version and the enterprise version, you had the possibility of having delays. Now, what's interesting is that home users will have up to 35 days to defer even a cumulative update. And it will be 7 days at a time. That means that you'll actually choose to delay 7 days, but you'll be able to delay another 7 days and another 7 days. And this is going to work for 35 days before it is officially pushed on you. So that's good news if you are scared or if you for some reason don't want to have some of the updates pushed immediately. That is a major change for home users also. The fact that the next versions also will not be pushed on you. So that means starting with May 2019 update, when a feature update appears, it will be in a different area in the Windows updates. You'll be able to install updates, continue using your version of Windows you're using right now, and just not do anything and let that May update or that the next 19H2 and so on, or the future updates that are going to come to your Windows PCs, you'll be able to just leave them there and not install them. You're not going to have that surprise of, well, it's installed on me and now I can, it's going to be something you will have to actually choose yourself. Now, that means that you'll have typically 18 months because the versions of Windows that we use are all 18 months before they expire. That means you'll be able to use a version of Windows that you like for 18 months before you are forced to update to another version of Windows 10. So this is really, really amazingly big changes that are happening right now. So the 18362 that we have is complete. We know it's RTM. And you know that next week is going to be a release preview. We're going to have it in May. And of course, all the features that I've been talking about, they're still valid. It's still that. It's still this version. It's just that they're just, kind of taking their time this time around. And they're going nuts in changing everything. I mean, everybody been asking this for such a long time. This should have been implemented way, way, way in the first version of Windows 10. But this is pretty amazing. Major changes happening to Windows 10 and its update policies now, which is very good news for everybody. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.